Hello, dear friends. Today I teach you about the things in code block code. Kate will talk. So first we have to take when click, then go to the positions, then say, then sensing block ask. Hello, I'm Kate. 2 second. Ask what your name. Now using once again looks say block, then operator join, then sensing answers. After it once again ask. So ask is the sensing block, and again put it over. Let me guess. Okay, so ask how are you? How are you? Then say. Once again go to the looks block and say oh. Okay, now once again ask. Okay, then after that what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Okay, so it is giving the again questions. So now uh, she reply again. So go to the looks and say okay, say I love to eat mice. Okay, so this is the question where it will be going on again and again. Again say so it was nice talking to you. Then again we are using say command. Okay, and say bye bye. Then after we are using glider glide command over here. So sensing block stop motion block, and we are here glide command GL, yes, that one. Okay, this is the glide command. Okay, so coordinate will be fixed. Okay, so glide 2 positions, and then coordinate 180 to 16 we are putting over here, and then hide. So hide should be a sensing block, sorry, hide should be a motion block. Wait, hide should be a hide hide, yeah, that is the height. Okay, so now we execute our code. Okay, so first code block, and then nice to meet you, then press OK, and where is our mice? So this is the height automatically. So stop the code and execute again. So it is hide my code. So after we are using, just remove it over here. Okay, okay, now coordinate over here. So what's your name? Kate. So my name is Kate, and how are you? Oh, very nice. Again and again question answer. Oh, what do you like to eat? I love to eat mice. It was nice. And then we are putting over here height. Okay, so if you want to show after that, you can put it over here. What's your name? Kate. Okay, then give the answer box. Then what's your name? Kate. Then it will be reply, how are you? Oh, nice. Then what do you like to eat? Mice. Again 2 seconds it will be reply. Okay, so automatically it will be done. So mice will be there. You can see that, yes, here this mice, it will be moving over here and again. So this is the era. So thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.